Founders, investors, entrepreneurs, and innovation leaders from across the Mid-Atlantic gathered in McLean on June 4th for the latest Big Idea CONNECTpreneur Forum, a networking and startup showcase focused on strengthening the region's innovation ecosystem. Held at the Valo Park Conference Center, the event brought together startup founders, venture capital investors, economic development organizations, industry associations, and innovation hubs for a morning centered on entrepreneurship, investment, and collaboration. While startup pitches remained a key attraction, the forum emphasized a broader theme: the importance of relationships and connections in turning ideas into successful companies.
The program opened with registration and networking, as attendees exchanged introductions and reconnected with peers across the startup community. Tien Wong, CEO of Opus 8 and founder of the CONNECTpreneur Forum, welcomed participants and highlighted the platform's mission of connecting founders, investors, advisors, and ecosystem leaders across the region. He outlined a program featuring investor presentations, ecosystem discussions, startup pitches, and networking sessions. Representing the host organization, Robert K. Williams, Senior Director of Growth and Innovation at Refraction Innovation Hub, highlighted the importance of creating environments where startups can access resources, mentors, investors, and peer support.
The life sciences sector was represented by John Newby, CEO of Virginia Bio. John discussed the continued growth of Virginia's biotechnology and life science ecosystem and highlighted the increasing attention the region is receiving from investors, entrepreneurs, and industry leaders. Alex Thalacker, Assistant Director of National Business Investment at the Fairfax County Economic Development Authority, reinforced a message that resonated throughout the morning. Alex noted that many of the most valuable opportunities generated by events like CONNECTpreneur come not from the presentations themselves, but from the conversations, introductions, and relationships that emerge afterward.
3 investment leaders shared insights into where capital is being deployed and which industries continue to attract attention. Maurice, Boissiere, partner and chief customer officer at DataTribe, focused on cybersecurity and the growing need to protect critical infrastructure and sensitive information in an increasingly connected world. Sathya Janardhanan, venture partner at Ecphora Capital, discussed opportunities emerging from the life sciences and biotechnology sectors. Sathya highlighted the strength of the Mid-Atlantic's research institutions, experienced founders, and entrepreneurial talent, noting that more companies are choosing to build and scale locally rather than relocating to traditional venture hubs. Tom Weithman, Managing Director of Virginia Venture Partners, described how catalytic early-stage capital is helping innovative companies move from research and development to commercialization. Working closely with universities, entrepreneurial support organizations, and investment partners, Virginia Venture Partners continues to support startups across cybersecurity, enterprise software, life sciences, and defense technology. Together, the investor presentations reflected growing confidence in the region's ability to generate both innovation and investment opportunities. The spotlight then shifted from investors to entrepreneurs. Introduced by Kevin Lees, partner at Shulman Rogers and co-chair of the firm's investment funds practice, the Startup Showcase featured 6 companies addressing challenges across healthcare, national security, communications, finance, and travel. The first company on stage was Actuated Medical. Led by President and CEO Dr. Maureen Mulvihill, the company introduced Neural Glider, a technology designed to improve precision in brain implant procedures while reducing tissue damage. The platform is under development to enhance outcomes for patients undergoing neurological treatments and reflects years of research in medical technology.
All right, so I'm Daniel Wood with C2RE, Carbon Aware Elements, and we do have a new...
Next, C2RE presented its work on recovering rare earth elements, critical minerals, and precious metals from industrial waste streams. Presented by Daniel Wood, the company operates at the intersection of sustainability and national security, aiming to strengthen supply chains and improve access to strategic materials. IGC Pharma followed,
with CEO Ram Mukunda highlighting its development of treatments for agitation associated with Alzheimer's disease. With clinical trials ongoing, the company continues to advance therapies intended to improve quality of life for patients and caregivers affected by neurological conditions. The second half of the session was introduced by Debbie Cline, co-founder of Buzzy Rocket, who emphasized the importance of storytelling, communication, and founder readiness in helping startups attract customers, partners, and investors. Lightwriter then showcased its quantum-enabled Li-Fi technology. Presented by president and co-founder Jake Krapinski, the company demonstrated how light-based communication systems could enable highly secure data transmission for industries including cybersecurity, artificial intelligence, healthcare, and defense. Traderverse presented an AI-powered social finance platform developed by founder Saram Alavi. The platform is designed to connect traders, investors, and learners, fostering a collaborative environment for sharing insights and engaging with financial markets. The final presentation came from Travel Easy. Founder and CEO Herbert Pearson introduced a telepresence-based travel platform aimed at enabling real-time, remote exploration of destinations. By combining technology with guided experiences, the company seeks to reshape how people interact with global locations. Together, the 6 startups represented a wide spectrum of innovation across the Mid-Atlantic region, spanning healthcare, biotechnology, cybersecurity, critical minerals, finance, communications, and travel. Yet by the end of the forum, the most important takeaway was not any single technology, company, or investment thesis. It was the value of connection. Throughout the morning, speakers repeatedly emphasized a shared message. Conversations create opportunities. Introductions lead to partnerships. Partnerships evolve into investments. And investments ultimately help transform ideas. As attendees continued networking long after the formal sessions concluded, the CONNECTpreneur Forum once again underscored its role as one of the region's most important gatherings for entrepreneurs, investors, and innovation leaders. While startups showcase their innovations on stage, the lasting impact of the event is expected to emerge from the conversations, relationships, and innovation opportunities that continue well beyond the forum.
We've been doing this for 15 years. We've done over 200 events, both virtually and in person. Today we're in Tysons Corner, Virginia. We're here twice a year, every June and every December. We had an awesome turnout today and lots of great presenting companies and great speakers. We had some great investors give their updates. And we're just happy to be here and provide a venue where we can convene investors with founders and service professionals to kind of boost up the ecosystem here in the DMV. It's a pleasure to be here. I want to thank our sponsors, Fairfax County Economic Development Authority, Next powered by Shulman Rogers, Buzzy Rocket, and a whole host of others. Come to our website at connectpreneur.org. You can learn about our other events, and you can also download the program book from today's event. Absolutely thrilled to be part of this ecosystem along with Potomac 24. Thanks for all you do. And with that, stay tuned.
I am thrilled to be at the Big Idea CONNECTpreneur event here in Virginia. And you might say, why is a Maryland research company in Virginia listening and talking to all these great companies? Because we're so close to Virginia. And Tien Wong and his team do an amazing job setting up the event with so much energy, so many people, so many key stakeholders. There's Maurice. Hey, Maurice. That are here today to share their expertise. And also we're here to listen to those companies make their pitches. They're pitching for VC funding. They're pitching for money. They're pitching for referrals. They're pitching for all kinds of introductions. So it's part of our experience, my experience in the ecosystem, because we're here to support Tien and his team.
Virginia. We have over 300 members, and we have members who need capital, who are in this region, who need connection to money from all over the nation, but need to know more about what's happening here in Virginia. So I'm really glad that this event is here in Northern Virginia. We have several of our members here. I'm new to this event, so I'm here to learn. I met Tien a few weeks ago, and he's very active in this region. and I'm trying to help him expand his knowledge and connections throughout Virginia in the life sciences. So excited to see what's going to happen here today and all the connections.
Looking to unite the Maryland, DC, and Virginia ecosystems under one umbrella with investments both starting from pre-seed and seed, but also into Series A and Series B. We have a long working relationship with Tien and with CONNECTpreneur. We look forward to continue using that relationship. We look forward to continue expanding that relationship. And I'm very excited to be here for this.
We're here in Northern Virginia at the CONNECTpreneur event, which is fantastic. Very proud to work with Tien. I'm on the host committee for the CONNECTpreneur Forum event. Today's been amazing. I'll tell you, like, there's something special that happens at these events when you can pull together a room of entrepreneurs who are really on the cusp of something great, and Tien and his team do such a great job of curating the room of really fantastic startups. But that's only half of the equation, really. It's the other half, which is the investors that are in the room that get to see them on stage and get to hear them interact authentically with a room full of other business professionals and ecosystem support. I mean, the recipe is fantastic. So if you haven't been to a CONNECTpreneur, I'm sorry you missed out on today.
I'm here at the amazing CONNECTpreneur event at Valo Park in Tysons. Thanks to Tien and the amazing CONNECTpreneur community, as well as all of the unbelievable sponsors and partners and incredible founders. Amazing event today, as always. As I said, I'm from Buzzy Rocket. We help startups go to market and accomplish all their business goals. We've been around for 15 years and have helped over 150 startups. Thrilled to be part of the CONNECTpreneur community.
I'm here at CONNECTpreneur because Tien Wong, the founder of the organization and event series, is one of our board members. But I know Tien, have known him or of him for more than 15 years. He is one of the leading figures in our and other innovations ecosystems. I came here as an experienced attendee, and as has occurred with every event thus far, I've been blown away by the experience. The number of connections that are made because of Tien's and others' efforts to curate who's in attendance has just been amazing.
We build revenue engines, so pretty much everything sales and marketing. I am also on the board of Innovation Maryland, and we help companies scale and grow. I came to today's CONNECTpreneur event to connect with the local business community, the local investment community. It was a fantastic event. You can see the room is full. There's tons of people here, and I really enjoyed it.
I'm so excited today to be at the CONNECTpreneur event here in Virginia. I would say for other entrepreneurs listening to this that this is a great event, and Tien Wong is such a great supporter of entrepreneurs and helping actually medical device companies get funding so that they can grow their innovations and get them to patients.
This has been an incredible adventure today. Not only have we talked with some great investors, we've also been talking with a lot of people that have the ability to get us in touch with a lot of new partners. So whether it's upstream or downstream from our technology, once we do get funding, we'll be able to really hit it on.
I've come to CONNECTpreneur for a couple of years now and always been fascinated with how the presenters and the investors get together. And Tien has been an invaluable resource to help me through. And this is the first time I presented. I enjoyed every minute of it. I'm getting terrific feedback. Thank you very much. I've